Hi everyone! This week we are talking all about one of the top fall trends in makeup. It is the kitten eye. Not a cat eye, but a smaller version that is wearable for day or night and super easy. So let me show you. Alright, so I am starting with one of my favorite eyeliners for this look because it goes on super creamy and easily, but it dries down completely, waterproof. This is Laura Mercier's long wearing eye pencil in Noir. It's a shade of black. So I'm going to start just by lining the eye like I normally would, really close to the lash line. And the kitten part of it is going to be all about the end. Let's get just a little bit closer to the eyelashes there. Alright, so to get the kitten part going, we are just going to extend really the lower lash line up. So just a little bit right there. You can see the natural curve of my lower lash line. I just want that to extend up from where it would rather naturally. And that's it. You have a kitten eye. So just a tiny little bit, just a little upturned flip, almost in line with your eyelashes, and you're ready to go.